Hello and welcome to Britannia Cheese Star Chef, where you learn how to make the best cheesy recipes perfect for any occasion.
Hello everyone and hi Shipra. I'm so excited about what we're making today because the last dish we made, let me tell you, everyone at home ate it and they loved it so much that I literally patted myself on the back. And now I understand today you're showing me quick and easy enchiladas, but it's got me quite nervous because it sounds a little complicated, yeah?
Steph, seriously, you don't have to get nervous because I love Mexican food. It's one of my favorites. The best part of enchiladas is that, of course, the origin is Mexican and it spreads all across Europe because it's so delicious, right? Okay. And you can add any ingredient. They use a lot of beans, the red beans. So you can literally add as much of veggies, meat in enchiladas and as much cheese as you want, and it just becomes tastier. That's it. So Amazing. It's very, very simple. So let's do an ingredient checklist. So, you need to heat the pan first of all and add a little bit of olive oil.
And saute the mushrooms, etc.
Yes. As much or whatever your favorites are, you can just keep adding, So what are your favorite vegetables?
Mushrooms, cucumbers.
It's a fungi, but yeah, it's a vegetable.
I quite like cabbage.
Do you prefer vegetarian food over non-vegetarian, or is there nothing like that?
The way it works out is that I really like vegetarian food throughout the day. But at night, I prefer something non-vegetarian.
So when you're sauteing the veggies, they have to be the right amount of, it should not be really soft. It should be just like 70 to 80% cooked. That's when you get the real flavor, and the nutrients in the veggies also stay intact.
All right.
So the idea is to put the salt towards the end so that the vegetables don't leave any water at all. So that's one tip. So I'm putting some salt and taking it off flame. I'm taking it out in a bowl. So the idea, I told you, you add the salt towards the end and a dash of pepper is what I'm going to add. And we also, transfer the veggies in a bowl so that the cooking process stops.
Okay.
Because if you leave the vegetable in the pan, it's still cooking, even if the flame is not on.
All right.
This is done. Now, right in front of you is the enchilada sauce. It's basically made with Mexican peppers.
Yeah.
Now, we take this tortilla. Yeah. Now we put a nice generous spoon of the enchilada sauce.
Okay.
And cover the entire tortilla till the edges. So now we are going to put these sauteed veggies. So leave, say, half an inch on the edges and put it in a vertical line because we are eventually going to fold it. So now we are going to add these black olives.
I was wondering what these black olives are doing here.
Do you like black olives? Do you like green ones?
I like both, but I like green ones in a martini and black ones in an enchilada.
And I have some parsley. You can just drizzle a little parsley on top. And here is the Britannia Cheeza cheese. So Cheeza is the best option for this recipe because it's a perfect blend of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. It melts beautifully and it gives a nice yellow color. It grates really perfectly, tastes really good and creamy. And it's best used for pizzas, which we will put a generous amount for that rich flavor of cheese, and the texture and everything is going to become so much better.
Now folding it. How do we fold it?
Basically, for enchiladas, we don't have to seal the sides and all because eventually it's going to go in a dish, okay? And it goes in the oven.
All right.
So we just need to make it like a roll. So you take one side and just roll it like this.
All right. And
it should just fit in your glass dish.
Yeah.
So, we'll just drizzle the enchilada sauce on top and cover the entire tortilla with it.
Okay. I'll put some more cheese on it.
Yes. And there's no end to the cheese, In enchiladas, you can just keep adding as much as you want. Wow, look at that. Such a beautiful yellow color with this cheese. And once it's baked, it's going to get enhanced and it looks so pretty. So here it's ready to go in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese is golden in color.
And look what came out.
Wow, amazing. It's really nice.
Oh, that's great.
Yours is looking really good. So we can garnish it with a little bit of parsley.
Okay.
For that beautiful professional garnishing for you. You've become a star chef now.
Well, I don't know about being a star chef, but I mean, I'm loving cooking more and more. But with the monsoon coming up and all these kind of things, and these are the perfect snacks for a really good time at home. And I have lots of free time. I don't think we're going to be shooting a film for the next few months. So I'm going to be cooking lots. And this is just amazing, the stuff we've learned. I've had a really lovely time cooking with you. Thank you very much for teaching me.
Absolute pleasure.
And okay, guys, if you have more such interesting recipes that are your own to share, send it to us. And the ones we love the most will be featured on the show. And now it's time for you to know the winner of Britannia Cheeza Star Chef. Stay tuned. Well, goodbye till next week. Till then, keep cooking with the best.